Good morning, lab rats. Today we're shifting gear. Today is Greedy Bastard Day. The secret to riches, lab rats, is the same as the secret to comedy. Timing.
1:15:10, Max. Feels like we should move now.
Not yet, Alf.
Boss, why do you keep calling me Alf?
Because you're an aggressive little flunky, Kenny. And as your boss and genetic superior, I can call you whatever I want.
Max Skinner's phone?
It's Kimberly. Is Max there?
Yeah, one moment, please. It's Kimberly. Sorry, Kimberly, Max isn't here.
Where is he?
He and his fiancée at their wedding rehearsal today.
What?
Do you want me to leave him a message?
No, I don't want to leave a message.
Okay.
1:15:90. 1:16. 1:16:10.
Right, lab rats, just remember, we're not here for the dental plan.
50 bid, people are buying. Max?
Sell.
That's it. That's yours over there. Yours over there. Keep selling it. Do you hear that? Sell it. That's yours. Darren, look at me. I said, that's yours. Darren, look over here. What you got in the box over there?
Miserable sod Skinner's dumping bonds onto the market.
Well, you can't do that. There's a gentleman's agreement on the exchange.
A gentleman's agreement presupposes there's a gentleman involved.
Amos, he put out $5 billion in sell orders. Prices are crashing through the floor.
Come on, people, get off your asses!
Come on, step to it! Start selling! Sell!
They should bury you face down, Max, because that's the way you're going.
Knock the boy down! 3 big figures to 113.50. Still going down.
5.
Fucking buy it all back, Mickey boy. Buy it all back. Immediately buy it all back. It's yours to buy back. Don't worry about it. Buy it all back. You're a genius, Max.
Filthy bugger, he's forced down prices. He's going to buy everything back on the cheap.
Start buying! Buy it now! Start buying!